everyone. I'm Dr. Deepthi Jami, consultant gynecologist and fetal medicine specialist at Chennai Women's Clinic and Scan Center. This is a very proud moment for me and Chennai Women's Clinic team to be associated with the Forts. An excellent pharmaceutical company where we are trying to bring out our initiative to the public and for the patients for their benefits, mainly for the pregnant mothers or patients who are planning for their pregnancy. So why this initiative? Because over the past, like say, around 10 years of my practice as gynecologist and 6 years of fetal medicine practice, I had come across thousands of tens and thousands of patients for their pregnancy scan procedures, out of which the most commonly affected or a fetal anomaly, I would say, is the anomalies or abnormalities which affects the baby's brain and spinal cord. They are called as neural tube defects. So there are almost close to around 7 to 8 babies who are born for every 1,000 live births with a neural tube defect. And the good point or the best point to know is that almost 70% of these neural tube defects can definitely be prevented. And you need to know how, because as early as you know that you're pregnant, patients, when they diagnose pregnancy, when they miss your periods, they're almost 5 weeks or 6 weeks or even 7 weeks. But the baby's brain cells and the spinal cord cells tend to break and disintegrate and form as early as 4 weeks or 5 weeks of pregnancy. So it's extremely important to know when to start prenatal supplements, which contains folic acid and other vitamins. So Forts, as an initiative, has backed up their brand called Prenatal, a complete supplement, a prenatal supplement for mothers to be who are planning for a pregnancy. And these tablets are to be started much prior, probably a couple of months earlier to them planning a pregnancy. So, and it is based on all the data which that are published in journals, one in the Journal of Obstetrics and Gynec in India, and as well as UK and US journals. If you see in around a study which was conducted in 2016, it shows almost the miscarriage rate in Indian population, among Indian population, is around close to 30 to 35%. And the reason is unknown. So it's very easy to say it's unknown, but if we can even try to prevent the reasons for miscarriage, then we should be able to do that. Most of the problems end up with chromosomal abnormalities, but many of them can still end up with an abnormality in the brain and spinal cord. And that's why we are here to educate the patients for the same. Couple of other studies which have proven that among Indian population, almost 1 in every 8 pregnancies which ends up in miscarriages are an affected or an abnormal baby. And if there is so much of high incidence of abnormalities among children, among babies, when the mothers become pregnant, it ought to believe that we need to see the nutritional status of our women. Almost close to 50%, which is as high as half of them, are anemic when they are pregnant. All this can definitely be rectified, can be corrected much prior to pregnancy, wherein you can avoid almost close to, say, even 10 to 15% or even 20% of the miscarriages which are happening if the nutritional deficiencies of the women are corrected prior to pregnancy. So that is where we know that both not only iron and calcium, zinc and even selenium is extremely important for pregnant mothers before they conceive. So what do we do? How do we know which supplement is available or which supplement is good enough with all these micronutrients to give us a healthy baby, along with all the supplements which the pregnant mother or the mother to be has to take? So as I told you, the neural tube defects data shows close to 8 per every 1,000 live births, babies which are born, around 8 babies are affected. And how can we prevent it? Forts has actually come across with an excellent supplement which is called Prenatal. Prenatal, when compared to the other brands of just folic acid, which contains folic acid of 5 milligram, 4 milligram, or even 5 milligram of recommended dosage, along with folic acid, it has also imparted a lot of multiple micronutrients, which should include zinc, selenium, antioxidants, and also niacin and vitamin B complex, which is extremely important for the baby's brain and spinal cord development. So along with multiple micronutrients, which the WHO recommends, it's extremely important that the pregnant mother knows which tablet consists and composes of all these elements in her prenatal supplements. So I would definitely go for prenatal, which a supplement which contains almost close to all the vitamins, which includes vitamin B complex, which has niacin included in it, folic acid in the recommended dosage, multivitamins including zinc and selenium, and also along with all the other antioxidants available. So I hope the point is very clear. We can go ahead and prevent neural tube defects to a larger extent if we educate our patients or mothers to be, whoever you know who is going to get married or who are married and who are planning for pregnancy. If you can put in a word about folic acid, niacin, zinc, selenium, and all these small micronutrients which are very well available in our diet as well as in the supplements, that it's very important when you get a supplement, a folic acid or any supplement from your doctor, from your gynecologist, make sure that many supplements are just with folic acid. It's very important that we include niacin as well. Why I'm talking so much about niacin is that when the niacin, which has also been proven to prevent lot of multiple malformations in the baby, has to be included in one's diet, because deficiency of that vitamin, apart from folic acid, even niacin deficiency, plenty of research has been proven to say in England and in India and also abroad in China and US has proven that plenty of congenital abnormalities in the baby has been caused because of vitamin B3 deficiency, which is called niacin. So it's extremely important that you know, to protect the baby or to prevent the congenital abnormalities or any anomalies for your baby, it is important that you know what you are taking, why you're taking that supplement, and why is it given for. So remember to spread this knowledge, do spread it across. I'm very happy to be associated with FORTS for this initiative. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would all request you to share this information along with the dietary supplements which you take routinely, with all legumes, which is rich in proteins, sprouts. Remember, recommended daily allowances of folic acid, vitamin B complex, along with zinc and selenium is extremely important to have a healthy pregnancy. My best wishes to everyone.